In this video, we'll be going over defining monitor lines and reviewing the data they can provide for your Flux project. A monitor line in Flux can provide data similar to OpenPath gas detectors, such as LEL meters, but it can also provide average as well as minimum and maximum values seen along a defined path. To add a monitor line, right-click its name from the Project Items tab. Here, two opposing points can be defined for the line. It is sometimes helpful to do this from a top view and select the X and Y coordinates for each with the pick tool and then manually entering a Z value. As I want to view concentration data for this monitor, I'll set the purpose to data collection, then add it to my project. Alternatively, I can set the purpose to detector optimization, and that will tell Flux to only save the coordinate position of the monitor line to use with the optimization capability. No results data will be saved when the purpose is set to detector optimization. Once defined, the endpoints are selectable for defining new monitor lines. This can be useful when defining several lines at varying heights. When a monitor line is added after a simulation is complete, the name will appear with gray text, indicating it needs to be updated with the project data. Monitors in Flux can be added before or after simulations have finished calculating. If your monitor is not up to date, you can either right-click one of the out-of-date monitors and choose Update, or I can open the Monitor Line Data window and click the Update button in the upper right-hand corner. After the update is finished, I can review the data for each case. Here, each row represents a simulation in the project, and each column a monitor line. The cells are populated with the data for the chosen variable. Various options are available and will change depending on the simulation type and composition used. For multi-component simulations, data for both the individual component and the bulk mixture can be viewed. Average, minimum, maximum, and integrated values can also be reviewed for the selected variable. The integrated value is most pertinent when looking at the LFL variable and not the %LFL, because the LFL variable provides the LFL meter value, which is used for alarm levels on OpenPath gas detectors. If only a couple monitor lines are of interest, you can select a subset of them to be viewed from this drop-down menu. The Auto Hide checkbox will remove any simulations with no pertinent data to the selected variable. If you have multiple simulations in your project and have added frequency values to each, then you can view the exceedance curves for the monitor lines in the project. The data from the exceedance graph and also the monitor point data window can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Whatever data is showing in the window will be what is exported. Here, we only see the data for the previously selected 3 monitor lines. The last tab of the Excel sheet will list the coordinates of each monitor line endpoint. If you have any questions about monitor lines and how they can be used in your project, feel free to email us at info@insightnumerics.com.